Over 3 decades ago, I discovered liposuction by the inventor, actually, Yves-Gérard Deleuze. Dr. Yves-Gérard Deleuze has started liposuction in the late 70s. That's when I met him and discovered the thing about liposuction and watched him perform it. It was love at first sight for me. When I watched him do this surgery, I said, you know, I can do this for the rest of my life, and I can do it all different ways. This was the beginning of liposuction. And I brought it to the United States of America, and since then have performed thousands and thousands of liposuction. The conventional liposuction is actually injecting a fluid inside the fatty compartment of the patient, and then with a tiny little straw-like instrument called the cannula, we extracted the fat. However, as science and technology progressed, that old cannula has turned into tiny little fiber. Now the laser and its various frequency of lasers have overtaken the old conventional liposuction. The cannula still exists, but the little fiber, this tiny little fiber with this powerful power generator known as the Cynosure Triflex actually is the brain of this technology. What does it do? It not only melts the fat, but causes the skin to shrink. As an added benefit, it can actually mend and melt away cellulite in your body by extracting the fat, releasing the adhesion, and thickening the skin. As cellulite is thinness of the skin, aging too is thinness of the skin, strengthens the skin, generates collagen, all through a tiny little light called a laser light emitted from the tip of this little fiber. I never thought the day is gonna come where I will call the liposuction that I was so proud of, did it for over 30 years. I'm now calling it the old way, the old liposuction. I have now myself have moved to a new chapter, armed with lasers. Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci could dream about having this fiber in their hands when they were sculpting instead of just a chisel and a hammer. And that's where I have moved into. I can't believe myself saying that my liposuction I was proud of for 30 years, I have left it in the dust. I have moved to a new chapter. I'm armed with the power and the precision of a laser light.